So this little part of the road is great because it's right by Sutton, and all it is all these giant houses and stuff like that, and the lake right there. But the road itself is just so gorgeous. Don't like people. Good job. These guys here. I mean, it's just gorgeous here. So what is this? This is right when you get to Sutton, and then you want to go back around the lake. So if you keep going along the road, and then I guess you go past. So you get into Sutton along the beach, along Lake Road. I guess whatever it's called. And you go through Sutton. You go past the ice cream place. You go past the fish and chips place and the Chinese food place, and then you keep turning. And you get on this road and stuff like that. I think I just wants to look at my camera. You see that? Okay, but this is nice. It's just a fun little bike path road. And because it's Simcoe Day, I couldn't really see it there. Right over there is Lake Simcoe. Oh, there's cars parking. Oh, that's pretty. Hey, cool car. Turns out here. But yeah, like I said, like Simcoe's right there. I'm not gonna be able to see Simcoe at all when they say that, but it is. So it's kind of fun. Nice little trip here. And here's Sebald. So here's actually if I wanted to figure out exactly where I was. Here's Sebald Crescent, right by Sebald Park. I don't know if that goes all the way down there. And Hedge Road. So very pretty. Very nice. Oops, look at that.